Welcome to Improving Your Security Operations. As a friend of Nutanix, I welcome you to our session.
I educate customers like you about how they can leverage Nutanix solutions to be successful with their cloud initiatives.
And focus not just on the known attacks, but those unknown attacks, that dreaded day zero. And what this all translates to is the more you know about your data, the better your defenses will be, particularly when we look at the exponential growth of data that we talked about earlier in this session today.
With Nutanix, it's easy to protect your data using the built-in data at rest encryption.
Now, as I said, these are just 3 of the most recent enhancements that we've provided to customers. And performance is just one aspect of it. But what about the entire solution? To talk more about that, here's Oscar again.
This is what Nutanix was designed to do.